Axle of Symmetry, where math finally clicks. Welcome back to Axle of Symmetry. Last time we learned to plot points. Today we connect them into straight lines and meet the number that describes every line, the slope. Let's plot 2 points, 0, 1 and 2, 5, 2 dots sitting on our grid. There is exactly one straight line that passes through both of them. Let's draw it. In fact, any 2 points pin down one and only one straight line between them. That's exactly why 2 little dots were all we needed to get started. And a line is really an infinite family of points, every single one obeying the same simple rule. Our job is to find that rule. The most important feature of a line is its slope, a single number that measures how steep it is. We find it with a phrase, rise over run. You actually feel slope in real life all the time, the grade of a road, the pitch of a wheelchair ramp, the steepness of a ski hill. A big slope means a hard climb. A small slope means a gentle, easy one. Run is how far we move sideways between 2 points. From x equals 0 to x equals 2, the run is 2. Rise is how far we move up over that same stretch. From y equals 1 up to y equals 5, the rise is 4. So the slope is rise over run, 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. That means for every 1 step right, the line climbs 2 steps up. The sign of the slope matters too. A positive slope climbs uphill to the right, a negative slope slides downhill, and a slope of exactly 0 is perfectly flat, like calm, level water. Every straight line can be written in one tidy form. Y equals mx plus, be just 2 letters unlock the whole line. The m is the slope we just found, how steep the line is. For our line, m is 2. The b is the y-intercept, the exact height where the line crosses the y-axis. Our line crosses at 1, so b is 1. Put the pieces together, and our line is y equals 2x plus 1. The whole line, captured in one short equation. Now watch what each letter controls. If we increase b from 1 to 3, a parallel line appears higher up, same steepness, higher start. And if we increase m, making it steeper, the new line tilts up faster. Bigger m, steeper climb. So m sets the tilt, and b sets the height. That's the entire personality of a straight line in 2 little numbers. Here's a real one. A phone plan might cost $10 a month, plus $2 for every gigabyte of data. That's a line. B is the $10 base, and m, the slope, is the $2 each gigabyte adds on. Let's recap. Slope is rise over run. Every line can be written y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Lines are everywhere in math, and now you can read them at a glance. Next up, functions. Subscribe to Axle of Symmetry, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Axle of Symmetry and keep the math clicking.